Welcome to Kids Worksheets. Hello children. Let's learn common flowers name. Please subscribe to channel. Let's start the video. Rose. This is rose. R-O-S-E. Rose. Children, repeat with me. Rose. R-O-S-E. Rose. Tulip. This is tulip. T-U-L-I-P. Tulip. Children, repeat with me. Tulip. T-U-L-I-P. Tulip. Sunflower. This is sunflower. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R. Sunflower. Children, repeat with me. Sunflower. Daisy. This is daisy. D-A-I-S-Y. Daisy. Children, repeat with me. Daisy. D-A-I-S-Y. Daisy. Lily. This is lily. L-I-L-Y. Lily. Children, repeat with me. L-I-L-Y. Lily. Orchid. This is an orchid. O-R-C-H-I-D. Orchid. Children, repeat with me. Orchid. O-R-C-H-I-D. Orchid. Marigold. This is marigold. M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D. Marigold. Children, repeat with me. Marigold. M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D. Marigold. Daffodil. This is daffodil. D-A-F-F-O-D-I-L. Daffodil. Children, repeat with me. Daffodil. D-A-F-F-O-D-I-L. Daffodil. Carnation. This is carnation. C-A-R-N-A-T-I-O-N. Carnation. Children, repeat with me. Carnation. C-A-R-N-A-T-I-O-N. Carnation. Jasmine. This is jasmine. J-A-S-M-I-N-E. Jasmine. Children, repeat with me. Jasmine. J-A-S-M-I-N-E. Jasmine. Let's revise, children. Rose. Tulip. Sunflower. Daisy. Lily. Orchid. Marigold. Daffodil. Carnation. Jasmine. Very good, children. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned more. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.